Set theory, practice exercises 22 through 31. So again, it says let the universal set be whole numbers from 0 to 10. So let's list them real quickly. I will pause this as I do that. And there they magically appear. So A again is sets elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. B has elements 1, 3, and 5. C has elements 4 and 6. And D has elements 4, 5, 6, 7, and 10. So union of sets A and B, I will list those elements. So I'm going to list 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now you'll notice that B has 1, 3, and 5 already, so it's not necessary for me to list those again. 23 is B union C, so I'm going to list 1, 3, and 5 because those are elements of set B. C has 4 and 6. Okay. All right, A minus C. So I'm going to start with set A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. And I'm going to take away anything that was found in C. So 4 is found in C and set A, so I'm taking that away. 6 is not found in set A, so I ignore that one. So what's left over in set A? 1, 2, 3, and 5. Let me erase that mess there real quickly. All right, and then now I want the intersection of B and C. So let's see if they have anything in common. B has 1, 3, and 5. C has 4 and 6. They don't have anything in common, so their intersection is going to be the empty set. All right, so the complement of A. Okay, that means basically I want everything in the universal sets that is not in set A. Now A is comprised of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what's left? 0, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the complement of D, what's in D? 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 10. So you look to the universal set, we have 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, D has 4, 5, 6, 7. So then we need 8, 9, and then set D has 10 in it. So there we go. All right, so set C, take away anything that's in D. Well, if I look at set C, I have 4 and 6. So D also has 4. D has 5, don't care because it's not in C. And D also has the element of 6. So that leaves us with nothing. So that's the empty set. Okay, then D minus C. So in this case, we're going to start with set D, and we're going to take out element 4, because that's in C, and so is 6. So what's left? 5, 7, and 10. So order matters, doesn't it? So make sure that you're careful with that. Okay, and now we want the union of set B and the empty set. Well, set B has elements 1, 3, and 5 in it. The empty set doesn't have anything in it, so we have nothing to add. And the intersection of set A and the empty set is going to be the empty set because the empty set doesn't have any elements to have in common with A.